This AOTRUTI 7-inch digital microscope offers a much larger and clearer viewing area than the smaller handheld screens, which makes fine details on coins, circuit boards, and stamps far easier to study for long sessions. Its wide magnification range, reaching up towards serious close-up levels, lets you move from a broad overview of an object down to tiny surface textures without constantly changing equipment. The image quality is impressive for this class, with 12 megapixel still photos and smooth full high-definition video that are sharp enough for documenting repairs, experiments, or hobby collections. A solid metal stand and simple focus control keep the setup steady and reduce wobble, so you can concentrate on precise soldering or inspection work without fighting vibrations or awkward viewing angles. Adjustable integrated light-emitting diode illumination does a good job of evenly lighting reflective items like coins or electronic components, which helps reveal scratches, wear, and fine print that are easy to miss under normal room lighting. The ability to connect to a computer for a larger live view, combined with straightforward controls, makes this microscope a practical choice for both beginners and more experienced tinkerers who want to share or record what they are seeing.